In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows to a sheet in Smartsheet. Being able to quickly add rows is one of the most common things you'll do when working in Smartsheet, whether you're tracking tasks, managing a project plan, or updating a simple list. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a straightforward way to insert new rows using just your mouse, so you can keep your sheet organized without worrying about messing anything up. Let's start with the basic idea. In Smartsheet, every row has a number on the far left side of the screen. This column of numbers isn't something you type into. It's there to help you reference and control the rows themselves. To add a new row, you'll interact with these row numbers, not the cells in the middle of the sheet. First, move your mouse to the left side of the sheet and hover over the number of the row that's near where you want your new row to appear. For example, if you want to insert something between row 5 and row 6, you can hover over either of those row numbers. Now right-click directly on that row number. A context menu will appear next to your mouse. This menu is Smartsheet's way of giving you quick actions you can perform on that specific row. Take a moment to notice the options available, because you'll see useful commands like delete, copy, and insert. From this menu, look for the options labeled Insert Row Above and Insert Row Below. These do exactly what they sound like. If you click Insert Row Above, Smartsheet will create a brand new blank row directly above the row number you selected. If you click Insert Row Below, it will add a new row directly under that row instead. Choose the option that matches where you want the new row to go. As soon as you click, you'll see a new empty row appear in the sheet. All of the existing rows below that point will shift down by 1, and their row numbers will update automatically. You don't have to renumber anything yourself. From here, you can start typing into the new row just like any other. Add task names, dates, owners, or any information your sheet needs. If you need multiple new rows in different places, simply repeat the same right-click and insert process wherever you want them. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking the row number and choosing either Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below, you can quickly add new rows exactly where you need them in your Smartsheet.